Namaste to you guys. Today I want to speak about attachment, how to let it go and really step into that high powerful version of yours that is actually sexy and detached and has a really good heart to express out there. My name is Seba, and if you want to be part of my spiritual podcast called Consciously Awakening, feel free to send me a message. If you want to work with me personally, also feel free to send me a private message. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe and press the bell and the like button and all the good juicy stuff. Today we speak about attachment. Now we go through experiences where it feels like we are attaching and wanting to keep a person maybe, or keep that money, or get more money, or have inauthentic desires. But what I'm coming to realize is the fact that inner power, that strength and wisdom are found within ourselves. Now, if we look within ourselves for answers, we realize that we have everything that we need there. Okay, so the first tip to realize if you want to go beyond attachment is look within yourself for answers, because the secret is there. It has always been there. And the more that you dig deep inside of your own soul, the more that you dig deep inside of your own consciousness, is the more that you actually find the power there. Okay, so the first tip is look within. Try to meditate more. Try to really be at peace with where you are. Be at peace with where you are. And this is actually the second advice. Be at peace with where you are. This is how to let go of attachment. If you are at peace with where you are standing, if you are at peace with your past, if you are at peace with your consciousness, then things will start to work out for you, because you are no longer attached. Okay, I realized in the last year that I have been really attached to a person. And what I'm coming to realize now is the fact that it's all the things that I have to deal with myself. Actually, everything that I have to deal with are the things that I have to deal with myself, so I realized that I have been so attached to her. And what I'm coming to realize now is the fact that I can always find that love within myself. And when I find the love within myself, then things will start working out for me. Because this is how it goes. The moment that we take responsibility, we get the chance to actually express something different out there. Self-love. This is actually the third advice in order to let go of attachment, is self-love. Love, respect, embrace yourself, appreciate yourself. Because you have your own consciousness always with you, okay? You are always being with yourself. So if you don't love yourselves, then others won't feel it. If you don't love yourselves, then others can't love you. So love and respect yourself, appreciate yourself, embrace yourselves. Go out and take yourself to a date. This is what I'm suggesting right now. This is what I'm suggesting for today. Go out and take yourself on a date alone. And realize that there is magic in spending time alone. There is magic in appreciating and having fun in the process alone, okay? Those who are following the crowd are going nowhere fast. Those who go alone and embrace themselves, they become lions, okay? What I'm also suggesting in letting go of attachment is, what kind of desires do you have? Are your desires authentic, or are your desires inauthentic? Because if we constantly chase for money, if we constantly chase for more, then we are sending the universe the message and the vibration that we don't already have that thing. Okay, so look around yourself and realize that you have everything that you need right here, right now. You have everything that you need inside of your own consciousness right now, So let go more. Let go more and realize that everything that you have to deal with in your life are the things that you have to deal with yourself. There is no need to struggle. There is no need to fight. There is only a need to accept. Accept yourself and realize that yes, even if it gets hard sometimes, you still have the chance to do it. Even if it gets hard sometimes, you still have the chance to heal yourself. You are supported, you are guided, you are protected by the higher realms of consciousness. Okay, so yeah, attachment. I realize that it's not easy to deal with attachment, and usually it comes in relationships. It comes in our desires. It comes in our way of being. It comes in addiction, But what I'm coming to realize is the fact that when I look a bit more at myself and I embrace and love myself, then I also let go of attachment. Okay? So guys, this was today's message about attachment. Realize that the only suffering is attachment. What are you attached to today? And how can you let it go a bit more? Let go. Let go. If you let go, everything will come to you. If you are not attached and if you find inner peace in the present moment, everything will come to you. Guys, this was today's message. Thanks for watching. If you want to be part of my spiritual podcast called Consciously Awakening, feel free to send me a message. And yeah, let's step right into it. Let's step right into the play, into the work, and let's actually send a bit more love to the world today, because the world deserves love. Okay? If you want to win, send more love today, because if you go with good intentions, then everything will work out for you guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on what is coming up next. I'm feeling so energetic right now, and I'm feeling awesome. Okay, I'm feeling awesome, and I'm realizing what my strength is, I'm realizing what my power is, and I'm going forward with life with a positive attitude, because I deserve to be happy, I deserve to be myself, I deserve to be abundant. Namaste to you guys, and see you on what is coming up next. Ciao.